In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a video in Constant Contact. Adding a video to your email is a simple way to make your message more engaging and give readers a clear next step. Constant Contact does not usually embed a playable video directly inside the email itself, because many email apps do not support that. Instead, Constant Contact adds a video preview image that links out to your video. When someone clicks it, the video opens in a browser or in the video platform you used. To get started, open the email you are designing in the Constant Contact editor. Look to the left-hand panel where your content blocks live. Find the video block, then drag it from the left panel and drop it into your email layout where you want the video preview to appear. Take a second to place it near related text, like a short introduction or a call to action, so it feels intentional and easy to notice. Next, click on the video block you just added. This will bring up options for that section. Choose Edit so you can configure the video settings. Editing the block is where you tell Constant Contact which video you want to use, and it is also where the preview image and link will be generated. Now paste in the URL for your video. Constant Contact supports videos hosted on YouTube, Vimeo, or Wistia, so make sure your link is from one of those platforms. Copy the full web address directly from your browser's address bar, then paste it into the video URL field. For the best results, use a clean link that goes straight to the video page, and double-check that the video is publicly accessible or set to a visibility level that your audience can view. After the link is in place, click Insert. Constant Contact will create the video preview inside your email. You should see a thumbnail image that represents the video, usually with a play icon overlay. Take a moment to confirm the thumbnail looks correct and that the block sits nicely within your design. Once you are satisfied, save your work and continue editing the rest of your email as needed. That covers everything you need to know.